Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen how to perform a GET request using Axios, and in this tutorial, we are going to see how we'll perform a POST request. So basically, POST request is used to send data from a front end to backend. So here in the Axios, you can see uh, how to perform a POST request, and let's see with an example. So I've also opened a fake API request to understand the basic principle of it. So, so here we can see that it's fetching some type of URL, and it's mentioning that it is a post method, and it is sending some data in the form of body, and in its header, it's stating that it is of an application JSON and UTF-8. That means it is in English and it is in JSON format, right? So basically, these are the informations, but it is a simple fetch function. But in Axios, you don't have to do all this thing. It is very simple in Axios. You have to uh, you have to write something like that, Axios, then the method, and then the URL endpoint, and then the body, and it's by default it's application JSON. Okay, so I've already made a form, right? So let's get ahead and implement and perform the post. So we'll make a some JSON, right? Post data, and also is set post data, and it will be an JSON object, right? And the first thing will be title, as we just saw. One will be title, and other one will be bar, sorry, actually a body, right? Body key, and other one is user ID. Okay, so it's basically something zero, or you can just leave it as empty, right? So we have to send this thing to the backend, right? So we have to also update the datas, or can here we can make an function const handle change is equal to just target, right? Title, body, and user ID, and we can on change handle change. We can copy this thing and paste it everywhere, right? And let's see it's working or not. Console.log post data, right? Mm, actually, we have made some error. Intermediate value is not iterable. Saying something. Okay. Okay. Just made it. I have to wrap this thing. in a bracket. Oh, sorry. Now it should work fine. Can post data. It's happening. Okay, we didn't have use state. Okay, now it should work. Let's clear all the logs and now if we title post title, so we can see. Okay, it's not updating. Title. Okay, we didn't add the name title and the body and the name is ID, right? So it should post name body anything and user ID. Let's say I'm user ID 1. So I can see that there is a JSON, right? So let's clear one more time and see if something okay. It's working now. So we're saying that we are storing all the data. eh? After entering all the data, we will click on submit. Then it should call the uh, uh, handle submit function, and then it will perform the post request, which will send the data to the backend, right? So let's start. Mm, const handle submit and it will take an event and so first of all, and we have to handle. So the form on submit, it will call the handle submit function. And by default, whenever we submit and form, it reloads. But in React, we don't want that. So we will add a prevent default 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 and then Axios dot post. Okay. Then we'll copy the URL which you're going to post and okay. Then we will send the post data, right? We can see here post data, and after then if it's get success, we will call then and we will console log the response, and if some error occurred or the API is rejected, we'll also console log that one also. So let's see it's working or not. We will open the network tab. uh, Title 1, or we can say title post request video, okay, and we can say post request is used for sending data, and let's say the ID is 1. And whenever we click on submit, oh no, it gets loaded sometimes. So something we are doing wrong, it's reloading. So I think the main issue is this one. Uh, Prevent default. Okay, and let's see post one and the body and is ready one. And after we send, you can see that we get an API call 201 status. So 201 status means created, right? You can see in there 201 created. So 200 status response means it's okay, uh, it successfully executed the API, and 201 means it has created some new documents. And if it's 400, it is a bad request. That means you are sending some wrong data or something like that. And if it's get 404 error, that means the URL you're sending, it's not found. The endpoint is not found. And if it gets a 500 error, that means it's a server error. It means the backend is crashed or is throwing some error. So these are the some status you have to keep in mind. And we can see in the header we are sending request to this URL, and it is a post request. And in here you can see the content type application JSON, and also we can see the payload. In the payload you can see we are sending body title post one and the is ready one, and the response we get it's created ID 101, right? So we have seen how to send data in application JSON format. But there is one more way we use majorly in the production grade or in your project. You can also use is form data type. So basically, when we want to send images or videos or any files in the post API, so we can't send this thing in a simple JSON. So we have to build a form data and then append them one by one, and then send the data in uh, in the, you can see in here you're saying that content type application JSON, you will see a form data. Okay, so in the next video we'll see how to send images, files or videos in the post API. For that, thank you and have a nice day.